Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you get the error message, Windows cannot find RiotClientServices.exe. Now, of course, Riot make it very difficult to uninstall their applications, but luckily there is a couple of things we can do to fix this. So first things first, you'll need to head over to your Start menu and search for Settings, and then just head over to the Settings window. From the left-hand side, come down to Apps, and select Installed Apps. Now, the first thing we're going to do here, nice and simple, we're just going to come down to Valorant and come over to these three horizontal dots, click on Uninstall, and then press Uninstall. Now, hopefully you'll be able to uninstall the Valorant app, and if you can then go ahead and try uninstalling the Riot client just by coming over to these three dots and hitting Uninstall. But you need to uninstall Valorant before you can uninstall the Riot client. Now, if that doesn't work, like it doesn't work for me, then what we can do instead is close out of here, and we're going to head over to an internet browser. Come over to a search engine like a Google, and we're just going to type in download Valorant and hit enter. Then come over to the playvalorant.com website, and we're just going to press the official download Valorant link. And once this is finished downloading, we're going to come over to our downloads and press install valorant.exe. Then go ahead and press install. And as you can see, you'll get this message here where it actually says repairing rather than installing, because obviously we already have it on our computer. So whilst that's downloading in the background, what we can do is head back over to an internet browser, and you'll need to type in this time revo uninstaller and hit enter. I then come over to this revo-uninstaller.com website at the top here. Now this is a third-party application. It's completely free to use, and this will help us uninstall the Riot client. So just come over to downloads at the top tab here, come down to this freeware version, and we're just going to select free download. So we're just going to double click on revosetup.exe, follow the steps on the screen to install this to our computer, click on install, and then we can just press launch revo uninstaller and hit finish. So once that's done, we're going to come down in these applications to Valorant, and we're going to select this and hit uninstall. Uncheck make a system restore point before uninstall and press continue. Make sure you've closed down the Riot client services before trying this step, otherwise you'll get this message saying the product's already running. And once you've uninstalled Valorant, we then need to come over to Moderate here and press scan. And this is going to show you all of the locations where Valorant is currently saved on your computer. So we can just press select all, click on delete, and it's going to ask, are we sure we want to delete the selected items? Hit yes. If it finds any extra files once you've done that, then once again just press select all and hit delete. Click on yes, and that's going to go ahead and remove Valorant from your computer. Then we can come down this list here to Riot Client, and now you're just going to select the Riot Client and hit uninstall. Now you might need to restart your computer before trying this step. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.